It's actually really solid. This is incredible. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where you join me in Abu Dhabi for a change, where we're about to start our little off-roading adventure in my Jimny. Drive all the way through here for about half an hour to get to the Salt Lake. Now when we tried to go here before, we got stuck in the desert and we didn't have the right car, but now I've got my car and we can go off-road. Hopefully we're gonna make it, so let's get going. So there's a pin in the description. All you got to do is drive to that point and you'll see a little gate. You drive through the gate and then you see this long path, and we've just been following it for about 10 minutes. You drive alongside this mound of dirt here. There's a path here and also there's one path down here. We're going to try that path now because this one's bumpy. You are the sunshine. So we've been following these pylons for a while now, and we've just seen this sand mounted up like this, and we think it's just over this little ridge, so we're going to get a bit closer. Do you see anything? Oh, it's there. We're here. There's people. This is the Salt Lake here. It's a bit of a building site. I think what it basically is they've started digging and then there's been salt water and it's created all these crystals and things. We're going to get closer and have a look. First, we're going to drive all the way around this mound so we can get a bit closer, because you can see there's a couple of other cars already there. Into the Jimny. You can already start to see where all the water is like dried up and become salt. This is crazy. There's more cars down there. I'm gonna go and join them, and hopefully they've got some cool spots, because there's normally some big bits that you can stand on, which will look sick in a picture. People down there getting their gram, but we've chose here. Look how sick this is. Look at the colour of this water. It's like turquoisey. I'm hoping this is solid for us to walk on. I'm trying to work out if I should wear my shoes or not. Bare feet seems more sensible, but if I want a cool picture, I need to get my shoes in. It's actually really solid, like you can fully stand on it. There's a little bit of water coming over the top of it. This is incredible. I'm super nervous this is just gonna fall through. Ah! Wow. I think we need to do a taste test. Oh, that is like pure salt. That'd be nice on some fish and chips. Gotta be careful where you walk, because this bit here, if you walk on that, it looks like it's about to fall down. These are like the famous rock bits that we keep seeing pictures of, where you can actually walk into the middle of the lake, surrounded by the water. So I'm gonna give it a go. So this is the Salt Lake in Abu Dhabi. It looks like it was for some sort of construction where they've dug away and then the water has come along and then the sun's dried it out and then you get loads of salt. But the formations and things, it's incredible around here. There's not much of it left compared to a few months ago, but it's still very worth coming and seeing. Let's try and figure out a way of getting a shot with the car and the Salt Lake in one. I feel like I really want to just drive it down here, but that would not end well. See at the start here, this is as it starts to form along the edges here. It's a pretty crazy thing. Like, I know it's just salt water in the sun turning into salt, but wow. Look, you can see here, this is like the main river how it used to be, and then slowly as you go further down, it must be higher or something, so it's evaporating more. So a few more people have turned up now, and there's quite a few spots along the way if you do like a little bit of a walk along this big pathway here. It's a pretty cool thing to come and see. It's definitely worth coming and checking out for yourself. We've had enough now, because it is very hot. It's like 35 degrees in the middle of the day, so it's time to go and get a coffee. So we're just driving back and we're on one of the fastest roads in the whole of the UAE. You can go 160 kilometers an hour, so I'm going to see how fast my little Jimny can go. I've literally got my foot to the floor and all I can make it to is 145. It's not getting any faster. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little trip to the Salt Lake. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in Abu Dhabi next time. Boom.